Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. You're welcome to this channel. For all subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you guys so much. So today we are on to a new tutorial, and I'm just quickly going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful bridal unconventional gele. So whatever style you come up with doesn't really matter these days, as long as it comes out really beautiful and nice. So the rule for this gele tutorial today is 80-20. One hand has to be really longer than the other hand. So what I did was to fold the edges of the gele first before making my pleats, and I think I made about 6 pleats. So you have to make sure that your pleats are really neat. You can call them folds, but the professional name for these are called pleats. So after making your pleats, you need to make sure that you trace them down towards her neck area on the right hand side and also on the left hand side, and ask her to hold it at the middle while you make the switch at the back. So the short hand of the gele, which is the 20 part of the gele, has to be on top at the back, while the long hand of the gele has to come under. I hope that is understood. So the short hand stays on top while the long hand stays under when you're making the switch at the back. So at this point, I'm just quickly making pleats with the longer hand of the gele, as you can see me do in this video. So I'll just be making pleats until I'm satisfied with what I have. So guys, right now I'm going to start making my fan pleats. Initially we made the round pleats, so at this point I'm quickly going to start making the fan, and this is what I'll be doing. I'll pick the pleats by the side. I'm going to pick the ashoke by the side and just keep making pleats like that until I reach the end of the ashoke. Just in case you do not understand this particular video, I have lots and lots of videos on how to tie gele. I believe that if you watch them, that you're going to understand and that it will really help you. So for the remaining part of the gele, I just twisted it to the back and pinned it. You need to make sure that the gele is really firm on your model's head or on your client's head. So this is a bridal gele. It really needs to come out really fine. And if you are familiar with the African culture, let's just take Nigerian culture as an example, you discover that when it comes to traditional marriage, the bride comes out most of the times 3 times. So this was her first outing, and I needed to make quite a statement, and she really loved it. So at this point, I'm just going to adjust the gele until I'm comfortable with what I have. I really do not like to make the normal, I don't like to tie the normal gele that we have here and there. I really always try to make my gele a little bit different from what I see, a little bit different from the norm, and that's what you can see me do in this video. So right now I'll be playing with my fingers. I'm just going to put my fingers in between the ashoke itself and twist it a little bit, just to make some few ruffles. They will not be too much, just few ruffles here and there, just to make the gele stand out and to make it really beautiful. So that's what I'm going to do. You could actually stop at this point if you're comfortable with what you have, or you could just continue or go ahead to make any style that you feel would make the gele come out more beautiful than what you have. So guys, after doing the ruffles, after creating your ruffles, we are left with the 20 part of the gele, which is the shorter part of the gele. I'm just going to place it, I'll pick it up and then place it behind this gele, behind the longer part of the gele, the long part of the gele that we've just styled. I'm just going to pick it up and then place it like this. So whatever you make out of it, you're the artist, it all depends on what you want. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I do hope that it has been helpful. Like I said guys, my name is Lizzie. If you've not viewed my previous videos, please do that, because it's going to really help you guys. I have videos on makeup, on hair, and mostly gele, just in case you want to learn any trending style at all. I got you. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and also comment in the comment section. Do not forget to share guys. I really love it when you guys share. So at this point, I'm just arranging the gele until it comes out the way that I want it to. Do not also forget that you really need to be securing with pins. You need to make sure that your pins are your best friend. Although there are some gele that I can tie without even making use of pins, but not this particular one. You really need to make use of pins so that the gele can stand firm, and so that while she dances it doesn't fall off. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Like I said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and also comment in the comment section, guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Do not also forget to turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you definitely get the notification and you'll be the first to know. Before I forget, guys, for the back of the gele, you could either close it or open it. It all depends on what you want. But for this particular style, I closed the back of the gele because it was a bridal gele and I needed something really, like something to cover the back of the gele. So that was what I did. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you'll be the first to know. See you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.